First thing, I need to print Thomas the tank engine face. Well, this is the 3D printed face of Thomas. The idea is to make it like the Timothy the Ghost Engine, trying to add some vinyl, but it seems that doesn't work for me. On the next step, I painted the eyes. Now the pupils needs to be red. Yeah, it looks creepy. And the idea is to make Timothy the Ghost Engine on a Trackmaster Revolution's body. So, what do you think? Maybe I do some upgrades on the paint. It will no longer be silver, but it's going to be like a gray color. What do you guys think? And this one looks creepy.